Hello guys, I am Shubham Kirme. Today's our Viva topic is inheritance in Java. So yesterday we have seen that what is meant by constructor in Java. So let's move towards today's topic. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in that which is used to one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of parent object. It is the important concept of object-oriented programming systems. The inheritance in Java behind the inheritance that you can create new classes that are built upon the existing classes. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse methods and fields of that parent class, and also you can add new methods and fields in your current class also. Inheritance represents the ISA relationship, that means which is also known as parent-child relationship. So why we use inheritance in Java? We use inheritance for method overriding, and second for we are using inheritance for code reusability. There are the terms are used in so many types of terms are used in inheritance in Java. First one is the class, second one is the sub class, third one is the super class, and fourth one is the reusability. We can take one by one. The class is a group of objects which have common properties, as we seen it already before. And what is meant by subclass and child class? Subclass and child class, it is a class which inherits the other class. It is also class called as the derived class. So what is meant by parent class? Parent class is also known as superclass. Superclass is the class from where subclass inherits that features. It is also called as base class. And the fourth one concept is the reusability. As the name specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates you to reuse the fields and methods for the existing class. When you create a new class, you can use the same fields and methods as you can define in previous class. So there are the extends keywords which are used to indicate that you are making a new class that derives from an existing class. The meaning of extends to increase the functionality. So in the terminology of a Java class which inherits, it is called as parent class, and it is also called as the subclass. Programming is the subclass, and also we can the relationship between the two classes is also called as the programming. So let's move toward the another topic, that is the types of inheritance in Java. On the basis of a class, there can be three types of inheritance in Java. So first one is the single, multi-level, and third one is the hierarchical, and these are the three types of inheritance in Java. In Java programming, multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through interface only. So we will learn that interface later. So you can take the note for that. The multi-level multiple inheritance is not supported in Java, and also hierarchical inheritance is not supported in Java. When one class inherits the multiple classes, it is known as the multiple inheritance. So we can move to the next topic, that is the single inheritance. When a subclass inherits into the another class, it is known as single inheritance. So that means the dog class inherits the animal class. So there is only single inheritance in that example. So we can take a multiple inheritance example, and what is meant by multiple inheritance? When there is a class of when there is a chain of inheritance, it is known as a multi-level inheritance in Java. As you can let's take an example. The baby dog class inherits the dog class, and which again inherits the animal class. So that's called as a multi-level inheritance in Java. So we can take the third one concept, that is named as the hierarchical inheritance. So what is meant by hierarchical inheritance? And we see the example of that. When two or more classes inherits a single class, it is known as hierarchical inheritance. In the example, we can take the dog and cat are also that type of class inherit the animal class. So there is a hierarchical inheritance. So that's all about the inheritance concept in Java. Thank you guys.